So you just launch your website. It's there. Domain is there, name is there, design is there. Now you need to start doing the SEO optimization. Here I'm talking about schema markup implementation. I'm talking about sitemap. I'm talking about writing content that is SEO optimized. And here you have two options. Two. You can either do this on your own, dig into the HTML, CSS code, or you can simply use a plugin that is going to make your life easier and it's going to just make you reach an optimized WordPress site quicker. In this quick tutorial, I want to show you the second road so you can launch your website and make it grow faster with a few simple steps. Let's dive in. Also for this video, we're going to be using my recent website. I'm going to use this one as a test ground, and this is how it works. Once you are in, you have to do nothing because you need to go to Rank Math SEO, you search for this plugin, you enter into my account. If you don't have one, you create, and you download Rank Math SEO, the Pro version. If you don't have the Pro version, you just need to download it, subscribe to it, and download it. Once you have it, go back to plugins into WordPress, click on Add Plugin, click on Upload Plugin, choose a file, and click on SEO Rank Math Pro. Install now, give it a few seconds to install, activate the plugin. Now it's time to set up Rank Math because it gives its best when it's fine-tuned for your website. Just click on Setup Wizard. Sitemap is very important. Sitemap makes Google and other search engines understand what your website is about. Activate here, activate here. This one I'll leave it off, but I activate the video sitemaps because I know that I'm gonna upload videos to my website. Schema markups, great. This is very important for blog posts. I will leave the article schema markup, blog post type, and for the other pages I will leave a service type of schema markup. Great, now Rank Math is activated. We are ready to show you how Rank Math actually works. Because of the setup wizard, now you will have a sitemap. You go to Rank Math SEO, sitemap settings, you click here, and you will find it at the top. You click here, you copy this link, you go to your Google Search Console, you open your property on Google Search Console, you click on sitemaps, and you paste it over here. You remove just this domain name, and you leave sitemap index, and then you click on submit. I did this already, so I already have a success status. In your case, you should do this process once again, and then your sitemap is gonna be submitted to Google through Google Search Console. Now, to grow any website, unless you are an e-commerce, you need content, quality content. In this video, I'm gonna show you how SEO Rank Math can help you optimize your content. Let me open this one. Of course, I drafted this article before this video, just to make the things faster. Once you have the final draft that you are happy with, you click up here, you put your focus keyword. In this case, it's gonna be best restaurants in Helsinki. Rank Math analyzes the content that you pasted and gives you a score. In this case, I'm a 70 out of 100 in terms of SEO, not bad. If you scroll these basic SEO suggestions, they're very useful. For example, in my case, I was missing a focus keyword in the URL. Because of Rank Math, I had the possibility to spot that and to review that. Let me change that again, actually. I will show you how it works. So I open this menu, I remove the link, I make it just something, I'll leave it like this. So now you will notice that focus keyword not found in the URL, fix with AI. Rank Math spots this and suggests to change this with AI. And as you can see, if I regenerate it, Rank Math helps me about this. In this case, I'm gonna leave it best restaurants in Helsinki, as it is. I approve it, and this is how Content AI by Rank Math is gonna help you. If you scroll through this, you will notice also other things that you should improve to make your content as much as optimized as possible. Keyword density, you can fix this. Don't go too harsh on this keyword density thing. As long as you included your focus keyword in the H1, meta title, H2, and some H3s, you are fine with it. But if you wanna include some extra, Content AI can help you. And try to make green all these other things. This is just a first draft, of course, and also my site has been just launched, so I don't have any internal links opportunities. But if you do, please satisfy this parameter and make everything green. Now, also, let's assume that your website is growing. You already have multiple blog posts published. You must interlink those blog posts. And to do that, you can use the link opportunities feature. If you click here on generate, it's gonna give you a list of a few internal links opportunities. In my case, as I told you, I don't have other content on my website. Therefore, it's not gonna give me link opportunities, but this is a very efficient time-saving feature that is a must-have if you want to have an SEO optimized website. Another aspect that I find very useful when it comes to creating content is the social menu. Over here, you can ask AI to help you generate the title and the description of your window. I don't know how to call this, honestly. That is going to be shared on Facebook or Twitter. This is the preview of Facebook, this is the preview of Twitter, and with AI, you can ask to generate a new title, a new description. Once everything is ready, you just click on Insert, remove this title, for some reason it's here, and you are ready to share your content also on social media. The only thing that is left is the replace image. Here, it's quite easy. You just search image, put food, Helsinki, and you choose something that you find to be coherent with what you need, like this one, for example. Boom, insert image, and now my content is ready to be shared on social media. Last bit of things that I really would like to show you is the schema markup. Now, as I told you in the beginning, this uses an article schema markup by default. Here you can get a preview of what you get. Here you can test it with Google just to be sure that the code is working. But if you want to do an extra step and you find that your schema markup is not as detailed as you want it to be, you can always use a schema generator and edit it based on what you want to include. I am a big fan of schema markups, so I try to include also some funny things inside, review schema markups, and you can customize it as much as you want. And that's it for this video about Rank Math SEO. In case you have any questions about Rank Math, just drop them in the comments down below, and wishing you a great day. Bye.